Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Style with P&J. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Connect with me in the section below. Instagram account is there and TikTok Mommy PJ. Yeah, today the topic is Mother's Day. Are you confused about what to wear on Mother's Day? Your girl Style with P&J got you. Yes, I got you. What's Mother's Day? Mother's Day is a celebration honoring all mothers in the world and motherhood, maternal bonds, and influence of mothers. So, a lot of people celebrate it differently, but these are some outfits to wear if you're going for a Mother's Day. So, this is a Mother's Day lookbook. And now I'll bring to you the first outfit, a satin shirt, and it's like a satin skirt flare, multicolor skirt. This skirt runs a little bit large. I'm putting on a medium. It's a flare skirt. Very decent. You could go out with your family on Mother's Day and just look really nice. Mothers still need to dress up, And I matched it on with my earrings. I think I got it from Macy's. This is the back of the shirt. It's a collared shirt and the skirt is multicolored, kind of like pleated. That's me seated down, taking pictures, putting on gold shoes. You can see how the colors really blend in. It's simple, but mothers should be looking all decent and classy. So I like this. So beautiful. And now we have the second outfit. It's kind of like a sheer like party dress for Mother's Day with a high slit. Personally, I'll still open up the slit because I love this dress. It's kind of like goldish brown. Yeah, it's really good for a Mother's Day party. Dress from Rachel Zoe with my gold earrings and gold chain. I put on like a brown gold shoes. You see, the slit is not really, it's giving, but it's not really giving. So I think I need to open the slit a little bit more, but this is decent and classy. Yep, it's kind of like a sheer silky gown, maxi gown. So this is beautiful. You could wear for a date night or even like family dinner with your kids, and you're still gonna be giving, like it's giving what it's supposed to give. Stand by classy look. I'm feeling myself. Just look at this. It's giving out cleavage, a little bit of cleavage, like you're decent, but it's revealing. That's what I can see. That's me seated down. So it's still like really nice. Either you're standing up or you're sitting down. Boobs, a little bit of push up on the chest, and it kind of like hugs your skin. So for the summer, this is a perfect Mother's Day outfit. Decent and classy at the same time. Like you can go. This third outfit is it's like a patent leather dress, short dress. I put on a belt on it. It runs a little bit large. This is a large, but I think I should have gotten a medium. Every girl should have a black dress in her closet. I'll say that over and over. Like, you're looking all hot and sexy. This is like for teen moms in their 20s, 30s. Don't just go put on anything and go out for Mother's Day. Like, you should be unique in your sense of dressing. Yeah, I put on a belt with it to give it some fitting, and I still put on black shoes. I like the fact that it's a leather dress, like it's a rich leather dress. Putting on Steve Madden shoes, black patent shoes too. So I totally love this combo. You see the details on the dress. The camera is not even giving like justice to this dress, but the dress feels so heavy. Matched it up still with my gold set, and the hands are kind of like puffy hands, so it gives some style, and v-neck, so you're putting it on, it's not too hot or cold, it's just really presentable for the weather. Check out the belt. Like, all mothers should be hot, like freaking on point when going out, especially for Mother's Day. Mothers have to be celebrated, and we do so much for people around the world. So I always honor mothers, especially mothers who take good care of themselves. Yep. Black on black. Leather never goes out of style. Even if you're seated, you look all chic. Like bomb ass, hands down, black outfit, so on point. And this brings us to our last outfit. This has some pink palms from Cassidy. Who can guess what outfit I'm putting on? A blazer set, two-piece satin skirt with some cleavage, hot mommy summer girl, and a very short skirt, a mini skirt. All the dress was gotten from like Burlington, and the blazer from Zara. Yes, your girl still has some pounds to lose, but this is decent. Like, if it gets too hot, you could fly out your blazer. Matched it on with my little purse. Blazer still giving what's supposed to give. It's more like a blazer dress, pink on pink, monochrome look. Yeah, if it gets too hot outside, you could take off your jacket. The jacket is a satin jacket, and the two-piece is satin like too. So the skirt has a little bit of split. I didn't want the blazer to be longer than the skirt, so it gives a hot summer girl like kind of look. Yep. Hot mommy girl. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.